Top 10 Inventions by Women that Changed the World. Number 10. Ruth Wakefield Chocolate Chip Cookie. Ruth Wakefield is very intelligent woman and introduced chocolate chip cookie in 1930. She created this yummy ingredient accidentally when she was in need of some ingredients for baking. Number 9. Patsy Sherman Scotchgard Stain Repellent. Patsy is very successful chemist who worked at 3M. She was the one who created Scotchgard by accident and has not planned it. She was given a task to complete that and make a different rubber like in liquid form for cleaning of white shoes or things etc. Number 8. Stephanie Kwolek Kevlar. Kevlar is very strong material which was invented in about 1960. It has created a new way for all industries. This is basically a crystalline polymer solution which is stronger than steel and is powerful as well. Number 7. Mary Phelps Jacob Modern Brassiere. Usually everyone thinks that women are of no use. But Mary proved them wrong and invented something different for the ladies of the world. She invented undergarments for ladies that were made with rods to make their body more in shape and look hotter as well. Number 6. Dr. Grace Murray Hopper Computer Language. She was very brilliant woman and always wanted to invent something new. She was always curious to know about how watches work, how computer understand our words etc. She came up with very brilliant idea and introduced COBOL which is computer language in about 1961. Number 5. Ruth Handler Barbie Doll. Barbie doll is the most favorite toy of every girl and they love to play with them. Ruth is very famous as she created Barbie dolls for girls which are still famous in the world and most favorite toy as well. Number 4. Bet Nesmith Graham Liquid Paper. This is the most amazing invention of women in this world. It is basically a liquid paper which is used to erase mistakes on the paper. Later it was also introduced in typewriter which automatically corrects the mistakes done by the writer. Number 3. Marian Donovan Disposable Diapers. Every parent in this world will always admire her during their whole life because she made their life easier. She came up with very brilliant idea in which special type of paper was used that was strong enough to absorb the water from the baby. Number 2. Patricia Billings Geobond. This was very new invention which was introduced in 1970 and called Geobond. This was basically used as a replacement for asbestos which is fireproof and like a plastic material. She also received the patents in 1997 and was very successful. Number 1. Mary Anderson Windshield Wipers. In past people were not aware of windshield wipers in their cars and were not even aware what they are. Now we can understand that it is the basic need while driving, but in past people drive cars without them.